Everyone, be careful with cryptocurrency right now. With that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications because today we're going to be talking about Ethereum and Bitcoin. What is going on in the market right now, along with some cryptocurrency news. So make sure to stick around if you want to know what is going on currently in the crypto world. With that said, first off, we're going to be starting with some cryptocurrency news. This is big, guys. Just a couple hours ago, Michael Saylor, who was the CEO of MicroStrategy, who stepped down to focus on Bitcoin, is being sued for tax fraud. Yes, guys, this just came out a few hours ago. It's breaking news just right after the news of Michael Saylor being sued. Well, guys, Bitcoin dropped below $20,000. And we're going to be taking a look into Bitcoin very soon, along with Ethereum, doing a technical analysis. I have some concerning, data on cryptocurrency that's concerning. So make sure to stick around. But for the first part, we're doing cryptocurrency news. Yes, big news. Michael Saylor is being sued for tax fraud. So now moving on to Bitcoin. First, we're going to do a Bitcoin analysis. As you guys can see, Bitcoin was forming a rising wedge and then we fell down because, as you guys know, a rising wedge is a bearish pattern. We fell down all the way down almost to the 19,300. As I said previously, if we break below this, we can see Bitcoin dump even lower, maybe 17,500. But as you guys can see, it is creating right now this sort of symmetrical triangle. As you guys can see, if you guys don't know what a symmetrical triangle is, well, this means the market can go either way. It can go up or down. There is no clear, point of where Bitcoin can go. But based off, the state of cryptocurrency, the economy right now, there is, I would say, a higher chance we're going to break to the downside just because we have some major bearish news I will be talking about later on. Make sure to stick around till the end because I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss it. This is very concerning for cryptocurrency. So as you guys can see right now, we are creating this symmetrical triangle, meaning that the market can go either way. As you guys can see, the volume is very low. Bitcoin is very boring right now. It doesn't know what it wants to do. If we put on the Bollinger Band right now, it is going to a state of consolidation around this area. If we look also on the 1 hour chart, as you guys can see, it is consolidating currently. So we are waiting for the next big move for Bitcoin, BTC. We don't know when it's going to happen, but it looks like it's going to happen very soon just because of all the news going on, especially the one I'm going to tell you guys very soon. Now, moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum is very similar to Bitcoin, but there is some concerning charts that are being revealed. As you guys can see, it is forming this sort of rising wedge, as you guys can see. And if we looked at past history, it also formed this rising wedge right here, which is something to be concerned about for Ethereum because it looks like it got rejected again around this area. It's getting weaker. Volume is very low. As you guys can see, volume right here is selling. I'm telling you guys, this bearish pattern it's forming is very concerning because, as I said, this pattern is a bearish pattern. And we can possibly break down below 14,000 or 1,430. If we do, I'm telling you, Ethereum will tank even before the merge, which is very concerning. If we put on the Bollinger Band right now, it is showing us It's trying to make its way back up, but getting failed. As you guys can see, it got weaker and weaker. It's making lower highs, as you guys can see, which is a sign of weakness. So that is all I have for today for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Yes, currently the crypto market right now is very boring. It doesn't know what it wants to do. It's so much uncertainty in the market right now. As a result, we are seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum heading down just because it's boring. People are scared. And now, if you made it this far, I have some major news for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and all of cryptocurrency. Yes. Today is September 1st, and today is the start of, well, actually in June, quantitative tightening started, where they took out $45 billion a month from the market, the Federal Reserves. But just today, they doubled that starting September, which is today. Now it's going to be 90 billion quantitative tightening, guys. This is basically where they take out money out of the market in hopes to slow inflation and raising rates. So basically, this is when they take out the supply of money. And yes, so as you guys can see, on June 1st, 2022, the Federal Reserve began a program of quantitative tightening, reducing its balance sheet by $45 billion per month over the summer. It plans to accelerate the winding down to $90 billion per month starting September 1st, but actually they rose it even higher to $95 billion, which this is very concerning because that means we don't know what's going to happen in the market. There's so much uncertainty. This is going to cause a lot of volatility in the market. So we can see a roller coaster for the month of September in cryptocurrency. This is why I suggest, this is not financial advice, but me personally, I sold everything from cryptocurrency and I'm waiting for the next big move for cryptocurrency. To be honest, I do believe cryptocurrency in the long run is going to take off, but short term, I'm waiting to get in on a better position. So this is why I believe Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these altcoins are going to dump. And then we are going to see, it rise very soon once we are out of this economic crisis we're in currently. But this is major news. Not a lot of people are talking about. There's a reason why. When they don't want you to know this, there's a reason why. Because this is a cause for concern. So yes, we can see some ups and downs in the month of September. This is why I'm making this video for you guys, just to be aware. But with that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure to subscribe, turn post notifications, hit the like button if you made it this far. And with that said, peace.